Where did he go? Oh, this has his Aadhaar card. Okay, address. I'll find this address and go to his house.
Yes, tell me, what happened?
Actually, I want to meet the sir who lives here.
You tell me exactly what do you want from him?
Uh, I have some work with him.
Look, he doesn't meet anyone like this. And by the way, you look like a beggar to me.
No, I'm not a beggar. I work hard to earn money.
You are earning money by doing anything. What I have to do with that? What work do you have?
Actually, it would have been better if you call him.
He is not here. He has gone out, will come at night. See, I've been working here for many years. So you can tell me exactly what do you want. I will inform him.
Actually, the thing is, sir was passing by the mall a while ago. So some money fell from his bag. Mm. And this Aadhaar card too.
So much money? How did they feel like this?
Perhaps the chain of his bag was left open.
Yes, what is it now? He is a little careless. It's okay. You give this money to me. I'll give it to sir.
Are you sure?
Hey, why wouldn't I give it? It's his money, so I'll give it to him. Look, he goes out leaving such a big home on my care. I think they are just 1 lakh rupees.
Yes, you are right. Okay, you give this money to him.
Okay. What is your name?
I'm Shudhanshu.
Okay, I'll inform him. So much money? I got it suddenly. How will I come to know who came and who did not? Let me do one thing. I will keep this money. No one will come to know anything. Sir, you came?
Yes. By the way, you cook the food?
No, I haven't cooked food yet. I was thinking when you will come, I'll cook fresh for you.
Oh man, I was so feeling hungry.
I'll just prepare, sir.
No, just leave it. I'll go and eat something from outside. You'll take an hour to make it. And tell me, did anyone come to meet me?
No one came.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. No one came. If someone will come, then I'll inform you, na?
Okay, I'll go and eat something. Hey, where is my bag? Where is my bag? Uncle, you look quite worried. What happened? Sir, you? Yes, do you know me? Yes, sir. When you were passing from here in the morning, your money fell down here, and Aadhaar card too. So I found out your address and delivered it to your home. I met your maid, so maybe she has given it to you. Did you get it? No, she hasn't given me yet. Maybe she has forgotten. Or maybe she doesn't want me to give it. You tell me, why are you worried? What should I tell you, sir? I had gone to your house to give you money, and I left my bag here, and when I returned, I saw that someone had taken it already. Oh, what was the amount of your stuff? I bought it in the morning, sir, for 3,000 rupees. I sell stuff here. That's what I got in this bag. Someone took it. See, if it is lost because of me or someone has stolen it, then I'll give you the money for that. In return, you just have to do a small thing for me. Yes, please tell me.
You are again here? Now what you left?
Actually, my intentions got spoiled after seeing the money in the morning. So I kept half the money for myself and gave the other half to you.
I thought you are a good person, but you turned out to be a dishonest person.
What should I do? Actually, I had greed in my mind.
A person should never be greedy. Come on, give me the remaining money.
Yes, take it.
Now, I'm not feeling like saying thank you to you.
I'm sorry, dear.
Yeah, okay. Now go from here and don't come here again. Wow, what a thing. In one day, I earned 2 lakh rupees. It seems that God is kind to me today.
What happened? You're looking so happy today?
No, sir. There is nothing like that.
Let me know if there anything, please.
No, sir.
Okay then. And did anybody come here?
No one came, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Come inside once. Do you know him? Who is he?
No, sir. Who is he?
At least tell me the truth now. I leave my house trusting you. And you are cheating on me.
Sir, actually, forgive me, sir. I became greedy. I did mistake.
Forgive you. How will I know what all you stole from my house without my knowledge? Huh? You are not trustworthy. You are the one who works here and I pay you for that. But still you are not honest. And on the other side, those who don't even know me, he is stranger to me. But he left all his work and came here to give my money.
Sir, I'm saying true. It won't repeat again.
First give me my money back. I don't want to see your face again in my life. Otherwise, I'll do a police complaint. Go. Thank you, uncle, for helping me. It's okay, sir. Okay, you keep this. Why are you giving me so much? Your belongings were stolen because of me. Sir, that loss was not that big. My loss is only for 3,000 rupees. I won't take that much money. Uncle, please keep it. I'm just giving you 50,000 rupees. I've fallen my 1 lakh rupees there. You were a good person, that's why I returned my money. Otherwise, someone else wouldn't have returned it. If I didn't get it, I would have suffered a loss of 1 lakh rupees. And the biggest thing is that the truth about my maid has come out. If this truth has not come out, I don't know how much loss I have already incurred. You keep this. And you should start a good work now. Keep this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Uncle, I thank you for your humanity. Some people are not our own even though they helped us. And some become our own even they are unknown to us. You are right, sir. Okay, uncle, you take care.